Today we are at the JetPark Hotel near Auckland Airport and it's time for a lift tour. This hotel was originally built around the 80s or 90s and has gradually had some expansions done over time, with an extension to the original building completed in the mid-late 2000s and another additional building added in the 2010s. There are 3 sets of lifts today for us to look at, all of which are EcoDiscs. We're going to start off today with the hotel's main lift that is near the main reception. This is where the hotel's original lift used to be, which was a Paxton glass hydraulic lift that was here for many years.
JetPark Hotel, Auckland. Go to 2. The buttons don't light up. Here we are back at 0.
In 2017, this lift was completely ripped out and replaced with a brand new Kone EcoDisc. This lift is a massive improvement over the original hydraulic Paxton. The only downside though is that the replacement EcoDisc is not a glass lift.
Here we go. The main lift. I've got my nightly sustenance in as well. So this is a 2018 EcoDisc at JetPark. This actually used to be a glass Paxton hydraulic lift. Here we are at 2. As you can see, they've done a full replacement and it's not a glass lift anymore. Go back to ground floor. White KDS fixtures with LCD indicator. Capacity is 1,000 kgs at 13 persons. Whoops. Someone just hit the alarm by accident.
Okay, now we're going to move into the extension to this building that was added in the late 2000s. This extension wing has an EcoDisc from this era.
Okay, this is the KSS EcoDisc at the JetPark. Oh, it's on this floor. No button beeps. This is the one lift here that I've not been in before. It's from 2008. See, this floor actually has an indicator. Oh, cool button beeps. Alright, 2. 12 persons, 900 kgs. Also notice it doesn't chime, but given this is a hotel, it's probably not all too unexpected. Some nice carpet, so it's not just a plain metal cab. Very small lift though. Here we are back at ground. There it goes. And that's it.
And lastly, we're going to go into the hotel's additional building. This is a much taller building which was completed in the 2010s. This building has a set of 2 lifts, both of which are of course EcoDiscs.
This is the conference centre building, and there's also more hotel rooms here. That indicator's very faint, but it's called this one anyway. few LEDs out on that. EcoDiscs. 5. "13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Maintained by Kone. Here we are at 5. Oh wow. I'm doing this at like 9 o'clock at night, so there's like fucking no one here. And here we are back at ground. Awesome. There it goes. That's it.